Good morning. Well, that's almost too chill for me right now. Alright, so we had... I didn't bring it up, but somebody were putting in that Peppermint Planet was crashing. Alright, so actually what I should do first is clear out the online version of the mod. Then we need to get the local one building. Make sure I can modify stuff. Then we have to figure... Well, I found the command line, but we need to get the mod running, or the local server running to make sure it can capture any possible output that it might have. Let's see if going in here, make sure we filter the right ones. Wait, really? I can't do any operations on it because... Well, I'd need to uninstall that one. You know, I've been thinking because I know he's doing some weird things with... I was thinking about doing that. I didn't... Because it's a server mod, I don't necessarily want to mess around with that, and since this isn't something that has other mods, well, short of its own companion, this isn't something like like if I ever have to do bug fixing on Hodgepodge for Legion, it's just going to be a royal pain because of the way this works. But for this mod, we can temporarily hack the ID. And we'll just deal with it. We'll just do a little workaround. What I do have to do is actually I do have to check how the identifier is being modified. Just replace. To work with dev. How do you mean by work with? Is it something more than just having a separate copy of each? How did I do? Yeah. Companions up. So this should actually just be redone. This is going to be client, so we can basically say info.identifier and then replace that. Wait. I guess maybe because I uninstalled the companion mod. I guess because I uninstalled the server companion, uninstalled the client. Maybe. Anyway, I still have to actually build this, which could be its own little adventure. So let's see if this works or if we're too far out of date. It's got something. The problem with something being too far out of date last time. Can I set property name of undefined? Does this possibly have an old version of path? Ah, yep. We need one that can handle all the different Steam paths and stuff to work on Windows. That's more likely to be in a server mod dev. This is a recent one. Yeah. Peppermint Planet. All right. and get us a server mod. All right. .dev. All right, so I've got client on. I guess I should go ahead and check system designer, make sure it's not something really fundamental. Well, there's only one. Okay, so there's nothing fundamentally wrong with the mod, at least as far as the client side of things is concerned. So we can run a quick test with the locally installed ones. I'm going to need to watch Task Manager to make sure that it's actually dying as expected, or, well, as now expected. And I forget which section it shows up in, though. Oh, wait, that's not my selected system, though. So that will actually work, and then I can see where server shows up. In the process list. And man, there's a lot of programs running. Oh, is it actually grouped under PA? Oh, it is grouped under PA, at least in this view. Oh, that's right, because it was started from this. If I start my own, it might not. But there is a server running. I did not set up the right system, so we can just abandon this. And actually, do I have... How small are you? I think I could actually go smaller. Radius 100 is perfect. And beyond that, well, okay, it's not perfect. You know, I may have actually saved this under a previous version when that wasn't allowed. I mean, I guess that would be better for load times, but that's serviceable. Oh, right. Has to be starting planet. Everything going on gameplay, set system. Alright, so at the moment, no server running underneath the program. Okay, server went to 0%. And still there. Oh! Yeah. Well, I mean, it is basically a web page, so, I mean... I think they were actually kind of prototyping some of this stuff as just offline. All right, so with the small planet, it works. So I wonder if this is actually something with the published mod? I think this is what I tried before, since it was more what an actual user would do. That also loads. So is this local mods versus file system mods? Or zip mods? Or is it the contents of the files? Well, or is it the system? Where's my basic one? I think that's what I tried last time. That also loads. Okay, well I did try Instant Sandbox first. Let's try a clean load from the lobby. Also fine. All right. Okay. So is it that they are local files, or, well, actually there are different IDs, so we can just test this real quick. Or relatively quick. Now, of course, we have to file system. File system. Ah, okay, there is an icon. I was just wondering that wasn't there before. Okay, we still have a server.exe. But I don't remember getting the generating planets at this point before. Oh. You know what? Last time I was looking down in the process list, I didn't see a server. There is a server, but it's not doing anything. All right, so now I have to figure out if there's something specific to the files we're getting from the zips, or if it's specific to zip formatted mods. But this does in fact appear to be dead. We can try looking at logs again. Command channel closed. Can you stay from lobby to landing? All right, so there's two ways we can run this. So we should have... Peppermint Planet server, Peppermint Planet client. Well, they need to go in their respective folders. So we'll start here. What did I just click? Wait, am I... Let's copy the files in. Yeah, let's copy mod. Okay. So that's actually interesting. That's Puppet Master. I'm getting myself confused. Okay. So I think that's everything. Let's try clicking the right thing now. And then we need to change you to... Oh, hey, Mad Kipper. How's it going? These are all going to be file system mods, so I probably need to change this just to make sure I don't get myself confused. Oh, and which of these has the companion mod? Okay, the server has the companion. Ooh. Soon as in like today? In a couple hours? Because that would only, the only thing that kind of makes sense in talking about like just got up. Oh, I was still copying it to that directory. Okay. Ah. Yeah, I was trying to fit the timescales there. All right. And then you need to be identifier. And companion identifier. All right, disable. We're using that one. And we can probably see the server. Oh. There's a difference in the published version. Okay. Well, now that's a somewhat tractable problem. You know what? I seem to recall this thing not liking the high contrast color scheme. This will be a folder compare. This does not have all my quick references. That means I have to figure out where this is. Is it app data? It's local. Internal annihilation. It's probably the server mod, since it seems to be a server problem. So we need to compare you all the way through this chunk again. Not offsite. App data. Local. Uber Entertainment. Planetary Annihilation. Server mods. And the just built dev version. Well, there have to be changes in at least the mod info, right? Because Mikey reprocessed it all. Oh, I selected the wrong things. No, I did dev and dev. Yeah, actually, that should be the primary one. Oh, no, what? I'm in folder view right now. Or single file view. We need the one we just unpacked. So why are... expand. Why are these red? Is it highlighting the one with the different date, maybe? Different attributes? Same number of bytes. Wait a minute. Is that an empty file? System editor. That is an empty file. I mean, that shouldn't hurt anything. Oh no, that's a different date. Oh, did I compare? Oh. That was something different, apparently. Binary comparison. So why? So what's... I don't see what's different there. Oh, you're equal, okay. Did the UI just not update? This seems like it. Okay, so the mod info, obviously. So we've got this empty build file, which I don't... Yeah, this is under shared. That shouldn't be overwriting... UI main shared. Man, why is that in the published zip? I should check my other computer. Well, actually, oh, this is the... No. So we've got that stuff. Actually, we don't need that entire directory. Let's just see if that's overwriting a critical file, because that seems like that would be a critical file. And then I can go back, and actually, you know what? I could probably check the error console to see if we got a failed to load. But this is probably going to come down to a file got accidentally created on my other computer where I published these from and copied into the mod. Oh, and I've been comparing the server. It might actually have the same file in the client? Well, that would mean anytime it was enabled, it would mess things up. Okay. Wow, that was a subtle and silly error. Alright, so essentially I just have to republish. Let me take a... I don't know if it's worth bringing up the screen. I'm just going to go take a quick look, see if that is in my other computer's copy. Not currently. So I guess the next question... Well, no, I just ran the build script. I didn't copy it. Huh. So I guess the answer is to go to the other computer, I publish a new version, and then I have to see what the update procedure is with just like a version number bump and date bump. All right, well, that was bizarre. We could do a quick update on this. No, actually, I should just post the update. All right, so the other problem was... All right, close all tabs. I should clean up this stuff. So server mods. What do we have? Exit to write that. So this was the unpacked one. This was a dev build. Client mod. That was the unpacked one. I should almost clean that up, but it's not going to be super important right now. And I think server mod help chat was a pure client mod. And this doesn't have any companion mods or anything. So once again, the short, hacky, terrible way to do this is change the ID to make sure we're actually running our own copy. What I forgot to do is look up. I think one of my balance mods would have some stuff we could use to test actual operation. All right. Installed. Do we have any currently? I don't remember if you do. But certainly, one of the energy mods would probably have it. And actually, I don't even need to load a system. All right, chat is enabled. What was it? Oh, and they just joined the lobby, huh? Really? I never knew he put in a thing in there. All right. This is not a detailed one. Okay, yeah, not very detailed. But the bug was, I think, this. Why are you triggering? And maybe I have a pattern for like any special character. All right. How did I organize these files? So this is parsing as commands. This dot commands. And that can be extended by... Not commands, topics. Bot.topics. Oh. Commands are topics. Dot commands. That's bang commands. We also got the slash commands. Sorry, I don't know about. Payload message 0. Commands is topics. So is the other one bootstrapping it? You know, I have some console log here. Maybe that will give me some more information. Oh, no, that's the Uber launcher. That's the debugger. Unimod server. Oh, interesting. Wait. If it failed to load, why did we get help for it? Okay. So then we had no error messages. No error messages there. All right, so where's the entry point for this? Oh, okay, so live game chat, so new game. Localbot on, off. Guess we got the public bot and the local bot. Oh. Commands join the lobby. Bot dot here. Info specs, info help, info topics. Can I adjust my equals this, my dot say? Bot dot say. So actually, so yeah, public bot prefixes with this. Which means that it is local bot. Yeah, oh, yeah, it's server mod help chat. It is responding with this, with the server type thingy. So you and then resets it. So this bot has a prefix. It has the commands. Then we add the on and off to it. Where bot is chat. Enabled filter. Look up known commands. So we've got listeners. An enabled filter, a known command, unknown command. Not this enabled. Right, if it's not enabled, it returns true and says it handled it. Known command, command.call. It doesn't count as an unknown command. Let's start with that. Okay, so it heard the message. Console.log this dot listeners I. Let's see if we can figure out which one's responding. This dot lookup, this dot commands. So known command is saying key to lowercase, if object key, return key. If length greater than 1, return undefined. See, that starts with key. Oh, candidate's length 1. Turn object candidate 0. All right, so console.log. I think this was just here. We know what we're doing here. All right, so console.log input is our key. Lowercase. I mean, we almost certainly don't have exactly that in there. That's going to be an undefined. Objects.keys. Candidates. Candidates that starts with. It's a step. Input D, candidates none. Our key is D. Oh, so is this being treated like... No, it's not being treated like that. Candidates none. Huh. So we're actually keeping the prefix if it's a valid prefix. But if it's not a word character and it's something else, we're just getting an R key of D. Candidates.length equals 1. Well, we know it's not multiple matches. Are we actually getting there? Then why does it say something? Oh, it's iterating over that. Commands on, off. Weird. So if I do one character, it matches. So my local bot commands are triggering off of non/characters? What is the lookup looking like for these things? Input on, candidates none, R key on. How sloppy is that match? It's a match. And C is a regex. Oh. Ah, so it's actually anything that's any part of the command. Okay, that's kind of sloppy. We should not even be considering. That's only for the local bot, though. Well, what's different about the local bot? Oh, because I had the facility to say bot commands join the lobby. That's why it's sloppy. So when he does the emote with a D, it throws out all the special characters, matches a D in commands, and then it's the command's response. So requiring a larger command string would help. I did define prefix characters, right? Bot.prefix equals slash. So I think where do we use prefix? Oh, it's saying this to make it an unknown command. So what we should probably do is only enable fuzzy matching with commands. If it's not one of those, then we require, well, that the complete command name matches the chat, not just fuzzy match. So we make a regex out of D in this case, and then see if it is anywhere in there. And go through object keys. So what do we want to say? If it doesn't have if our original input does not have a prefix character, then we don't want to do substring matching. All right, what are we saying? So the command is has joined chat that we want to trigger off of. That is a larger substring. Likewise, command. So the key C. So that replaces all those characters. So if it has prefix, if the input has prefix, we do super sloppy matching. If it doesn't, we want to request that the full text of the command is contained in I'm actually removing my command characters. Maybe I shouldn't do that. Nope, doesn't solve that problem. Okay. Wait, I reloaded, right? Right. Did I do that for a specific reason? Oh. Wait, what? Wrong directory. That's a little bit better. All right, anything... this is in chat. Ah, there's the... That's local bot. Oh, that's live game chat. Default label only for host. Listeners. It's like, was there a specific reason I did that? There was a specific reason I did that. Local chat bot. Well, okay, it was definitely deliberate. All right, so we want to say that if we have prefix, then we just go with the straight up match. If we don't have prefix, then I want exact substring matching. Key.length. Candidates. Wait. Oh, if it's a perfect match, we just return it. If it's nothing, we don't care. It starts with, yeah, perfect substring. Wait. Candidates is, wait. But I was able to do, like, combat. No, yeah, wait, candidates was 0. Oh, no, this is assigning candidates, not using candidates. Alright, so we passed all this. Actually, no, this only starts with. Oh, wait, have I removed prefix when it happens? Message 0 equals prefix. So our bot wants to do a fuzzy match against has joined the lobby. And this is what does that. Somewhere I had some test code for that. Somebody joined the lobby. Oh, and it's only a single. Okay. Input. Join the lobby. How does this go through the pipeline? Because having removed this, sol.log. I'm curious how it is that that's matching. Join the lobby. Wait. Oh, replace, not. Well, that doesn't leave my question marks. Oh, because the commands in that case are the topics. Info.topics. Oh, wait, I have special handling for that, don't I? That's QUnit. Apparently I had some testing for this. That would actually be a good thing. Commands. Candidate match. Oh. What do we have for tests? Because this is kind of a gnarly little situation here. This is... help chat. Help chat uses that. Yeah, okay, help chat is bot. Oh, help chat is bot. Oh, yeah, this is the one that says if payload message is blah blah blah. So this doesn't necessarily have the commands. Oh, I'm just doing key value. Simple string. No match. Partial match. Empty string. Did I? Yep, I set up the topics there. So the issue we're having is lookup. Simple string, no match, partial match. So if our command no, that's like built in. Or is it? That is a command of the local bot. Wait, live game chat, new game chat, local bot. Right. Okay. So the tests, that command doesn't exist. So if we have the command and we give it D, then no match should be undefined. Actually, yeah, bot.messages. I think that means things it needs to respond to. All right, we've got a test case. Now, what's my default prefix character? Because I may actually have to go back and... Okay, my default prefix is bang. But I think bang commands is a built-in thing. All right, just something else with the D in it. Now we want to say, well, this might end up affecting some of my other tests. We'll see. That we do not want to do a fuzzy match unless we match our bot's prefix. So now this entire thing is like, does fuzzy topic lookup also use this? Oh, fuzzy topic does use this. And you're an extended bot, so you're going to have the prefix. All right, well, this is a little bit more straight up programming. This is turning into the majority of what we're doing today. All right. Guess that's all the tests. We've got known command and here topic. We're going to use it in exactly two places. Do I even want fuzzy matching for commands? I mean, I guess it's kind of helpful there. Now, once again, that was with prefix character. And this actually removes that requirement. What was with join the lobby? So that is the section of code that is responding to join the lobby. So we could require a minimum number of characters for fuzzy match. We could require that the entire command, you're saying if it's unprefixed. And I'm going to have to special case that for topic lookup somehow, because that is relying on kind of straight up any substring. Do our tests include... Okay, so we've got a set of topics. We still have a test for that. I don't have a substring test for that. Oh. So this is also the same error, effectively. Because we're matching into this before we match into our topics, even though we prefixed with the topic character. So I think I might need to do different kinds of lookup with and without prefix. Help chat, I think, is the one that's doing this. Where does this come in? Okay, that's just a listener. So it gets its own run at the opportunity to output. So I might have a prefixed and unprefixed listener. Right now we're only using it to say that's not a known command. It's more conventional. But if it's prefixed, we want to do a much stricter lookup. Where we were, if it's prefixed, we can do fuzzy matching. If it's not prefixed, then if it's not prefixed, then the entire command name has to exist in the original input. So we might end up with, let's see, so we've got so this is fine. I'm gonna starts with sort of short circuit. Okay, so yeah, it is just that that's a substring of that without that. All right, well, time for me to take a break. I'll be back in a few minutes. Where is Hedwin's specific thing? Why is it not in my inventory? Oops, wrong button. There it is.
There you go. You got here. Get out of here. It's all on you now.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. If we dig this out, Fertilizers are off? Yeah, these fertilizer synthesizers are turned off. That's intentional, because we didn't, we've got this section, and that one's going pretty strong. As far as it goes, the only reason they're all active right now is because we had a backup in the bathrooms. Usually they be.
Oh, hello. Cotton flower patch. Whatever that means. Somebody's angry up there. Oh, that wasn't shallow water. They really need to work on the signaling. There should be like different colors or something. Well, we just got nothing out of that.
Hey. Ow! Ow! And fight's almost over. Ow! Ow! Fight's over. 14 strength. That's pretty sweet. But is that what they started with? Because that doesn't get boosted up, right? As far as I know. Okay. So we need to do some more debugging. So the issue is when it comes out here, it wants to go in either direction. So when it comes out, I think we need to make sure. But why would it ever try and go backwards? There's an exit over here.
Okay, so on that one, so I think we should be a bit more explicit. We've got matching player join lobby, where we want the full command name to exist in the input. We've got the ability to abbreviate commands. But that should probably only work with the prefix character. And actually, that is still, so, like, that wouldn't work. So that's just straight up substring, which we already have. Like right now, top. Yeah, so that's sloppy. So for topic lookup, we want this. Do we ever want this for non-topic lookup? Actually, maybe not. List of topics, here topic. Topic count commands, listeners.push, here topic. Var fuzzy lookup equals function of, I don't remember what this was a function of. It is key and it is object, right? And I probably still want this lookup. I think this shortens up. Or short circuits. And that passes all the tests. All right, we said... Okay, we said hello. We can say... all our remotes. We can say commands. We can say com. We can't say top, but we can say top. And we can still say combat, and yeah. That's the amount of fuzzy matching we want. All right, so we have to make this mod info, not dev. All right, so in chat.js, we've got a console.log input. We have removed that section, so unfortunately we don't get diffs in that section. So I'm going to want to inspect help chat fuzzy lookup. Yeah, there's a console, there's a console. And then retest everything. Hopefully the mod info doesn't mess anything up. Okay, yep. That's the main we're concerning about. Okay. No, we're done with you. We wanted this. Okay, removed from there. Added a secondary lookup mode to that. Oh, we need to disable that. Only do fuzzy, or only do input substring lookup for help topics. All right, so that is actually should be fixed. Oh, that's right. This is this one in the general pool. Oh, and that's kind of not even going to exist anymore, so you don't want to have that there. All right, Q unit, we're done with you, we're done with you. We're done with the debugger. Should be done with task manager. Next up, where's my to-do list? I still have to publish those. I'll come back to that later. What did I have? Yeah, I want to do that eventually. Okay, I've got more to-dos on that I've not dealt with. So we have input, focus problems, and we have, and actually that other one actually deals with one of the issues. No, I don't want that to be a subtask. Thank you. All right, so we're going to do what kind of misc updates? All right, so actually, I think that might be a big enough deal to do a quick little drop here so we get different VODs and things. We're going from planetary annihilation to it's a little bit different. Be back shortly.